Please stand by. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking shortly. Please stand by.
The following message has been given authorization to broadcast on all stations at the request of the President and the United States government. This is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. An attack has been declared against the United States. Yes, you heard correctly. An attack has recently been declared on our great nation. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 55 nuclear missiles from 3 countries, which include Russia, China, and North Korea. These missiles are expected to impact the following locations within the next 20 to 30 minutes. Chicago, Illinois, Los Angeles, California, New York City, New York, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Jacksonville, Florida, Las Vegas, Nevada, Seattle, Washington, Nashville, Tennessee, Redding, California, Denver, Colorado, Gaffney, South Carolina, Spruce Pine, North Carolina, Madison, Georgia, Fort Wayne, Indiana, Clovis, California, Portland, Oregon, Baltimore, Maryland, Atlanta, Georgia, Wichita, Kansas, Washington, D.C., Boston, Massachusetts, Raleigh, North Carolina, Minneapolis, Minnesota, Cincinnati, Ohio, Watertown, South Dakota, Fargo, North Dakota, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Boise, Idaho, Montgomery, Alabama, Jackson, Mississippi, Fairbanks, Alaska, Providence, Rhode Island, Detroit, Michigan, Salt Lake City, Utah, Billings, Montana, Casper, Wyoming, Omaha, Nebraska, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Des Moines, Iowa, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, New Orleans, Louisiana, Indianapolis, Indiana, Louisville, Kentucky, Columbia, South Carolina, Charleston, West Virginia, Wilmington, Delaware, Newark, New Jersey, Bridgeport, Connecticut, Burlington, Vermont, Manchester, New Hampshire, and Portland, Maine. Please stand by. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, we have feared for decades that a day like this would become reality. We have feared that a nuclear attack would be declared against our great nation one day. As speechless as I am, that such weaponry has been used upon us all at this moment, I strongly urge all citizens to remain calm and not panic during this attack, as all we can do now is brace ourselves. We have been through tough times in this country before, and we will get through this if we all work together and rebuild. For now, I strongly encourage you to do the following actions to ensure the safety of yourself and the others around you. Gather plenty of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to bring with you to your fallout shelter to keep yourself healthy and updated with the latest information. Make sure to cover all cracks and windows with tape, damp clothing, or damp towels. Do not go outdoors until the all clear is given or unless absolutely necessary. The fallout will remain in the area for several days, perhaps months, maybe even a year. However, during these tough times, we shall fight until the end as one. We will overcome our fear and remain victorious against our enemies. Whoever has hurt our country shall be hurt with twice the fury by us. The enemy shall be punished until the end, and we will show no mercy. While we may be crippled by this attack, America will not be broken. On that note, my fellow Americans, thank you all. God bless you. And God bless the United States of America.
That was a message from the President of the United States. This is KFSN, and we will continue to serve the Fresno area. If you are not in this area, please tune to a station containing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Fresno area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.